Hello friends, welcome to this course on NX. In this lecture, we are going to make this sketch. This is our practice sketch number 2. So in this sketch we can see we have this type of feature and all the dimensions are given. Now one thing we can see into this sketch is this is a symmetric sketch. It means we can only sketch the half part and we can mirror it with respect to this central line. Now all the dimensions are given. I have also provided you with the PDF and image of the file, so you can try it yourself, and after that you can continue watching this lecture if you face any problem. So let's make this. First of all, we can see we need to only make this half picture. So just focus on this only left half. Now we can see this geometry is made of two rectangles. If I draw a line like this, so here we can see we have this rectangle number 1, and this top is rectangle number 2. So we need to create this rectangle. So dimension is, see, this complete value is 200, so half will be 100, and here it is 40, the height is 90. So this value will be 90 minus 50, this will be 40. So the top rectangle is of 40 by 40 and the bottom is 100 by 50. So go to NX and draw the sketch. Go to sketch, select a plane and click OK. Go to the corner rectangle. I draw a rectangle like this. This is smaller rectangle, bigger in length, and this is upper rectangle. So the dimension of this, here I go to rapid dimension. This complete length we know is 100, and this length vertical value we know is, this is 50. Now this is of 40 by 40, so select this line, press escape. Once again, okay, select the rapid dimensions. So select this line and this value is 40 and this value is also 40. So in this way we have created the outline of the sketch. So I can trim this line, go to quick trim. I don't need this inside line, so select this line, close. Then go to drawing once again. I delete all these. Now here I can see inside this we have two slots. So this is slot number 1, slot number 2. So let's create this slot. So for this slot the length is 120. So half will be 60. So this is going to be 16 length. And this value, so the radius is 10, so this complete will be 20, and this is 40. This from this point the distance is 40 and this vertical value is 20. So in the NX, go to rectangle, draw a rectangle like this. We know the width of this rectangle is 60 and height is 20. Press enter and then press escape. So go to rectangle and draw a rectangle like this. Then rapid dimension. This value is 60 and select this dimension. We know that this is 20. Now we need to draw a circle. So go to a circle, make sure this midpoint is selected, zoom in and select the midpoint. This is midpoint up to the end point. Now go to quick trim and we can trim this line, close. After that we need to position this. So go to the rapid dimension, select this line and this center point. This dimension we know is 40. and from this horizontal line up to this center distance is, so this is 20. Close from here. So in this way we have created this slot. So once again go to drawing, we need to create the slot. So here we can see, first of all let's find out its dimensions. So the length is 30 from here and the width will be, so this is 5. So the width will be 10. So it is rectangle of 30 by 10. And the position is, so to find out its position we can see the distance is 20. So with respect to this vertical line, this is 20. Here we can see this is 20 given. Now we need to find out the vertical value. To see, here we can see the 40. This 40 from the bottom is second position reference. Go to rectangle and draw a rectangle like this. Give it the dimension, rapid dimension. So this value is 30 and this is 10. Close. Now draw the circle from this midpoint up to the end point. Similarly from this, now this is the midpoint, so this midpoint to this end point. Now go to quick trim, select this line and this line, this curve and this line. After that we need to position this, so go to rapid dimension. Now from this vertical line to the center, this distance is given 20. So let's pick it outside. So this is 20. And from, so select this horizontal line and this point. Now place the dimension outside and this value we know is 40. Click close. So now in this way we have positioned this. Now we need to create the fillet. So all here we need to create the fillet of radius 10. So zoom in here and go to fillet option. Select this and this. So radius value is 10. This and this. Radius is 10. Radius value is. Similarly we can continue making this fillet. This and this is outside fillet. So this radius is 10. One more fillet here, this and this line and radius 10. Now here we don't need this vertical line. So what we can do is we can convert this to a reference line. So select this line, right click and convert to reference. Similarly for this line we don't need this line. Right click, convert to reference. So I go to menu, insert, sketch curve and go to mirror curves. Select all these curves, but make sure that this reference curve is not selected. So hold down the shift key and select this curve and then select the center line, reference is this line and click OK and finish this sketch. So now here we can see in this way we have completed this sketch.